Hey, welcome to R2, a channel to help you sell your art online. Looking to make some money online? Well, Redbubble may be the perfect platform for you. If you like to create unique and interesting designs, this is a perfect business to jump into. For those of you who have never heard of print on demand is a great way to sell your art online without much involvement from yourself other than uploading your design and having a marketplace like Redbubble fulfill the orders, take care of customer service, and things along those lines. Redbubble is a company specializing in creating and selling custom designs. Their main product is graphic t-shirts, but they also sell stickers, phone cases, aprons, posters, prints. There's a whole bunch of products that you can enable your designs on, and you can use this marketplace to create your own custom designs and sell them to other users who will buy them with just a few clicks. Designs can be uploaded and sold by anyone, with the company taking a cut of the profits. From t-shirts to phone cases, posters, or mugs, there's so much possibility of things that you can enable with your designs on them. There are many different types of designs to choose from on Redbubble. This is why customers keep coming back to the site and find that unique item for themselves or as a gift. Redbubble is a great way to share your creativity and make some money at the same time. If you want to start selling your designs and haven't set up an account, I suggest you go to Redbubble today and set up that account. You won't regret it. It's free to do, and it's something that can generate passive income for you for a long time to come. So use inspiration. Look online for inspiration or to find inspiration in everyday objects. Finding inspiration is a key part of being a successful artist. For some, this might mean looking online for ideas and inspiration. If you're not sure what to design, you can browse the thousands of designs that other artists have uploaded, or you can see something in everyday life that inspires you and you can turn that into a design. For example, if you see a cool pattern on a t-shirt or in a magazine, you can create your own version of it and upload it to Redbubble. Create sketches. I like to create sketches. A sketch is the best way to plan out your designs. When you're working on a new design, it can be helpful to start with a sketch. This way you can plan out the different elements of your design and make sure everything fits together well. Plus, sketches are a great way to experiment with different ideas before you start working on the final product. If you're not sure how to get started, there are plenty of online tutorials that can show you the basics. And if you want to sell your designs online, sites like Redbubble offer a great marketplace for those designs that you're creating through your sketches and a little bit of mixing with digital technology, and you can have some really cool designs that you're uploading on these websites. Use colors wisely. Colors can make or break designs. We've talked about in the past how there's apps and software and websites that show you what colors go good together, and I would suggest looking at some of those websites to get inspiration of color palettes that would work well for your designs. One of the most important aspects of any design is the color choice. Colors can make or break that design. It's important to choose the right colors for your projects. Another thing that really helps sell designs, at least for me, is adding text. Text can add a lot of personality to a design. Text is one of the most popular features used in designs. That's because it can be used to communicate a message or to add. As an artist, you can use text to make your work more personal and engaging for buyers. One way to use your text in your designs is to create slogans or quotes. This is a popular trend on Redbubble, and buyers are often drawn to witty or inspiring sayings. You can also use text to create puns or jokes that are relevant to your artwork. For example, if you're selling a t-shirt with a beach scene, you could add the slogan, "Perfect day for surfing." Final touches. Polish up your designs before submitting it. When you're uploading your designs or art to Redbubble, don't forget to present it in an attractive and professional manner. This means ensuring that all the text is legible, graphics are high quality, and the overall composition looks polished. In addition to making a good impression on potential buyers, presenting your work in a polished way can also help increase chances of being featured on Redbubble's website or social media channels. So before you submit your design, take some time to make sure it looks its best. If you'd like to make more money with a print-on-demand business or Redbubble and haven't already subscribed, do it now so you'll know when the next video goes up. And if you hit the like button, you really do help this content get found in the YouTube algorithm. We're constantly uploading new content to this channel to help you make more money. So if that's something you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you guys in the next one.